Okay, in this tutorial we're gonna expand functionality of admin script in such a way that we will be able to send any kind of file to client side. Totally opposite from what we were doing in the last tutorial about file downloads. So uploads today will be fixed. We need to change both of these scripts. Actually, we need to type relatively a lot here. So we can have elif block of code down there dedicated for uploading, but that will result into some kind of error and overlapping. So through practice I come to the conclusion that the better option will be to have additional if check inside of if check. So let me type that because it's better to explain while coding. Now if command up till character of 6 equals to upload, then we will send to admin side this actually full command. So command.upload or encode, sorry. Now why do we need to do that? Because if we don't do that, how else client will know what kind of name for a file we want to use? Because we will not ask client to type name of file that will be uploaded. We must state that. So we're gonna use that part of this code to inform client what will be name of that file, and then we will send like a ready status so that admin can continue with uploading of real stuff. So think about this as uploading first the name of file and then content of a file. So let's do that. Down there I'm gonna say status, and status will be received from client side that client is ready. How we are going to get it? Well, connection receive, for example, I mean it's too much, 1000 bytes, but why not? And immediately we are going to decode it, because we are just searching for, let's say, ready in a status that will arrive from client. So again, if ready uppercase R, let's say, in status that is received from client, then we will proceed with specific operations. Now this piece of code will be activated if this piece of code is will not yield us some kind of usable results. Now this will be in else block of code, and I'm gonna indent this a little bit to one level, and also we need to expand these options a little better. But on the side of client, let me just explain what's gonna happen when client receives full instruction that will hold the name of file that needs to be created on this side. So down there I'm gonna say, let me just have a little bit of space, I'm gonna say else if extracted up till 6 equals to upload. So this is first part of command that will arrive from here. We are checking that we do have upload as a start of command, and after that we're gonna grab name of file that will arrive from here. So if extracted up till 6 characters is upload, we're gonna try to do something, and that something will be opening file on this side. File will be populated with actual content. So open. Now what will be name of a file? Because obviously it is stupid to use both of names here and here. Let's have some kind of differentiation. Let's have first part of a name to be received. Why not? It will be easily detectable when you're doing listing. So received plus extracted, and then we will grab whatever is right from upload, whatever is continuation, like this, upload and then space and then file to upload, file to upload.txt. So now we are grabbing this file name. How we are going to grab it? Well, we're gonna target 7 here and more to grab this thing. Okay, we already handled this with this. So let me delete this, we don't need it anymore. extracted 7. And now what about mode, how we are going to open that file? Well, we need to open it for writing to it. So write byte, because we can get any kind of file from admin side. Okay, now when we have that, we are going to send all status message that when file is opened, we are ready to receive content that will be put into that file. So send all will be ready, and then we will encode it, because this is just a string. Encode. Okay, now why do we need this line at all? Because this piece of code is expecting it, and when we get it, then we will send content of a specific file from admin side. This is why we need first this. Okay, so now after this operation, we're gonna handle that right here, that type of check. So first thing is we will open file here that need to be sent to a client side. So open and command whatever is after upload. Okay, upload instruction. And then what will be mode of operation? It will be read bytes. Okay, and then we will instantly send that. So connection, where is that thing? From here. Okay, connection, send all that specific file in a read mode. We don't need to decode anything here. Okay, so this is just opening and sending. So when we read and send that file over here, we are going to close handle. Why not? And then we will print on the admin side that everything is fine, like file uploaded to client side. And if we run into some kind of problem, we're going to use else block of code here, else, and we will print here like client not ready to receive data or something like that. Client not ready. Of course it is not ready because there is no ready in status that we have from here. So this is like a backup, like an alternative or something like that. Now when we send file with this operation from here, now we need to write that content in a file on a client side. How we are going to do that? Well, it is extremely easy. We will just say f, which is a handle of opened file, of created file actually. We will say write, and then we will grab whatever is in socket at the moment. So s.receive. So this is like a tunnel inside a tunnel, because we already have socket here from here. Okay, from, yeah, we do have connection, and we do have some initial data, but in this initial data we have instructions, and we are handling those instructions with this piece of code, bunch of stuff. But now we need to grab actual stuff that will be written in that new file. So we will just have like a tunnel inside a tunnel. And how much of the stuff we are going to grab? Well, I don't know. For testing purposes and for simplicity reasons, just 500,000 bytes. It is enough for most of the stuff. Okay, now when we have that written, we will close our file. Okay, and I think this will work. So first I need to run server script. Okay, this is working up till now, no errors. And then client script, unexpectedly unindented. What is this? Oh yeah, I need to have else block of code, sorry. Well, so else block of code, we will say print unable to receive, let's say, and then we will handle that to socket also. Why not? So s.send all in case of error, also same stuff, unable to receive, and we will encode it. It is just nice information for admin to see what's happening. It's not else, it is except. So hopefully the thing will work now. hopefully, let me run this stuff. There you go. There you go. And what are we going to send to this client side? So first, let's see what I have on a system in this folder where I have scripts. I'm gonna send like a file to upload. Why not? This is just textual file with some content in it. Couple of strings, nothing special. So command will be upload. Target file will be file to upload. .txt and enter and file uploaded. And on a client side there is information upload file to upload.txt. So now client can grab this and recognize it, and then it will open empty file and grab stuff from here and save it into this file. This is why you need to extract all these first characters and detect them from actual command. So this is like a two-way process, I think. Yeah, so now we need to check what is happening with content in this file. Do we actually have it? So I'm gonna say open, and we are searching for something with received. Oh, there you go. So received file to upload, because we have that solution here. Received will be always like a prefix to any kind of name of a file. Let me open this stuff to check what's happening in Notepad++. And there you go, content in a file that will end up on a remote client. And actually you have absolutely same content in file to upload. So right click, edit with Notepad, and there you go, absolutely same line. So it will be nice if we test this also with, let's say, Python file. So let's do that. Upload, client pc .py, enter, and file uploaded. There you go. So let me check that for Python files. And where is that thing? Oh, there it is. Received client PC, edit Notepad, and there you go. So this functionality works. Also, some people will demand, for example, like a listing in here of stuff that is in file. We actually can do this too. Why not? So let me get out from here. So here, let's say, we can print that on an admin side, the content that is sending to admin. So f.read, I think this will work. And also here, we can print that. Yeah, f.s.receive 5000. I mean, this is doubling. What is this? Oh, print, sorry. Print. So this is doubling of operation, but let me just see, will this work? It is kind of stupid, but probably it will work. Because it is stupid. Anyway, run one more time. And again, we are going to upload, let's say, same stuff. What was it? File to upload.py, and hopefully disconnected. Oh, disconnected because I was using stupid extension. Sorry about that. Let me run this module again. We do have connection. Upload file to upload, but this time txt, and this file is empty. Why it is empty? File to upload. Probably because I was opening it in a binary. This is interesting, but there you go. On this side we have a content of it, so this is fun. This is fun. Let me see, is my file actually correct now? Why I have this problem that I cannot see what is in the file on admin side. What was the file? File to upload. Well, there is a content. Why I don't have it here? I don't know. Probably because I'm just printing it so directly. So this is weird. But anyway, on a side of client, everything is working. And let me actually delete this line. It is not producing me desired results, but I'm gonna have this stuff right here because I'm gonna test that with with a Python file. I just need to make sure that at least this part of the stuff is working. So let me just type upload. What was it? Client PC, E and PC Pi. Oh, there you go. It is ugly here because it's raw, basically data, but you at least see that something is going on. Well, it is helpful to some degree if you want to see stuff visually. Anyway, the objective of this tutorial is achieved, and we do know how to download and upload files, how to get files, how to create directories, empty directories, how to destroy them, and such a stuff. So what I need to delete here is this line. It was just for practicing, why not? So this will be operational. Okay guys, this will be end of this playlist, probably, maybe I will get some other idea, I don't know. But some people are probably asking themselves, will I here activate some kind of obfuscation or encryption? No, I will never do that, because some people can abuse my source code, and I definitely don't wanna see that happening. So yes, you can practice with this, you can use it in your company, whatever, but don't ask me for obfuscation, for encryption and stuff like that, because I don't want to write that kind of stuff. This is in educational purposes. Obviously I can do that, but I am not going to do that. So yeah, probably you understand what I'm talking about. It is just dumb, because you have 100 people with good intentions, and then you have one dude with bad intentions, and well, you know what I'm talking about, definitely. Anyway, so that's it. If your first time in this tutorial, then I'm gonna scroll through admin script visually so you can copy paste to some degree. So let me scroll down there. Okay, probably you see everything, and you can pause, and again I'm gonna scroll down a little bit, and that's it. That's the end of admin script. And what about client script? Let me also scroll. Okay, this is first part, until while true, so you can pause and paste, copy paste, and then let me scroll again. I think it's cool, and a little bit of pause and continuation of script. There you go. That's pretty much it. Now honestly, I don't want to upload this to my website because the code is not that good, and there is a lot of it, because I don't know if you noticed, but here I don't have any kind of function, any kind of class. It is just extremely simple block of else, f try, except what else. I mean, nothing special. It is messy, but it is working. And on the client side, I have just only one method dedicated for sub processes. So the code is like it was done like 60 years ago, but it is working, because my intention in this tutorial, actually in the first tutorial, was just to create a couple of simple scripts, but right now 8 tutorials later I have full working remote administration tool. So it was like developing on its own over the course of this playlist. This can be fixed in so many ways and improved, and it can become better with a bunch of functionalities, additional stuff, but it is working, and it's kind of fun to mess around with sockets. So there you go guys, that's it in this playlist probably. Thank you for watching, for sharing this script with other people, these playlists, for supporting me, and see you in next tutorials. Just pay attention about what you're doing, don't abuse these type of scripts. Yeah, you have them on YouTube, you have them on internet, you have them on Stack Overflow, you have them on GitHub, whatever, all kind of scripts for remote administration, but please be smart, okay? Don't do anything stupid, because, well, anyway, thank you for watching, and see you next one. This one was a little bit longer than I thought, but hopefully it was, well, hopeful. Thank you, and see you next one. Ciao.